Why do some materials conduct electricity while others do not? Ever wondered why copper wires power your devices but rubber insulates them? It all comes down to the movement of electrons. In this video, we'll uncover why some materials conduct electricity effortlessly, while others simply won't budge. In conductors like copper or silver, electrons are free to flow, creating electric current. These materials have a sea of electrons ready to move when a current is applied. Insulators, like rubber or glass, tightly hold onto their electrons, preventing any flow of charge. Materials' atomic structures also play a key role. Metals have closely packed atoms and overlapping energy levels, enabling electron flow. Insulators, with a wide energy gap, block this movement, keeping electricity at bay. This divide defines everyday tools, wires, cables, and protective coatings. Understanding conductivity helps us innovate in energy, electronics, and more. From creating efficient technologies to designing safer materials, this knowledge changes the world we know. Intrigued by how electrons shape our lives? Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting science breakdowns. Let's keep exploring the secrets of the universe together.